Hello and welcome to AT Media. Many of us believe that starting a business requires millions of dollars in capital. However, in today's world, a great idea and the courage to start are more important than money. Today, we will explore 5 profitable business ideas you can start with very little capital in 2026. Stay with us until the end of the video to find the perfect match for you. 5 profitable business ideas for 2026. Business number 1, digital marketing services. The first business idea is digital marketing. Currently, many small and large businesses are struggling to reach customers on social media. They often lack the time or skill to manage their Facebook, Telegram, or Instagram pages effectively. You can fill this gap by managing social media accounts for these companies. All you need is a smartphone, an internet connection, and basic graphic design skills to start earning a steady monthly income. Business number 2, home cleaning and maintenance. Second on our list is home cleaning and maintenance services. In busy cities, many people lack the time to deep clean their homes or maintain their gardens. By organizing a small team of hardworking individuals or starting by yourself, you can provide high-quality cleaning services. This business requires very little equipment and relies heavily on your honesty and work ethic. Once you do a great job, word of mouth will help your business grow rapidly. Business number 3, cosmetics and beauty products. The third idea is selling cosmetics and beauty products. This sector remains profitable regardless of economic conditions. Products like perfumes, face creams, and hair care items are always in high demand. You don't necessarily need a big shop to start. You can begin by purchasing popular items from wholesalers and selling them online or to your personal network. The profit margins are excellent and it's easy to build a loyal customer base. Business number 4, private tutoring. Fourth is private tutoring. If you have knowledge in a specific subject, that knowledge is an asset. Whether it's mathematics, English, or any other skill, you can offer one-on-one tutoring for students at their homes. Today, parents are very invested in their children's education and are willing to pay well for quality tutoring. This business requires zero starting capital, only your expertise and time. Business number 5, distribution of agricultural products. The fifth business idea is the distribution of agricultural products from rural areas to the city. There is always a high demand for fresh products like honey, eggs, and butter in urban centers. You can start by building relationships with farmers in rural areas and supplying these high-quality products to city residents or small shops. This business is built on trust and can provide a very stable and significant income as you grow your network. To conclude, every business succeeds with patience and quality service. Start small, but dream big. Being honest with your customers and managing your money wisely are the foundations of success. Which of these 5 ideas did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to AT Media for more tips on success. Thank you for watching.